Okay, so we're going to be in Asok, so we're just going to walk down, check everything out, and see anything interesting. I'll stop, pause for a little bit, see what's all around here. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I see something already. So this is going to be, this is what this one is. So we're just going to go to one of these little soys. You see everybody eating. And we're just going to walk in here. I'll tell you the soy later. Not sure what it is. Maxim's restaurant. So basically this one has some hotels and restaurants. Go this way. Fresh fish. Okay. Indian. Massage places. Indian food. More massage. Okay, basically a bunch of this. Let's go all the way down. It's mostly hotels, massages, and then a Swiss hotel. So we're gonna turn back around. Yeah, so these are tiny little soys, so you can get off the main street in these soys. It's actually not bad because there's no thorough traffic. And you get lots of food in here and sit outside, as you can see, get some street food. So we're gonna keep on walking. Let you know what soy this is in a minute. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna go through here. So here's Nana. Okay. So we're actually pretty close to this is sort of leather. There's a lot of Indian restaurants down here. This little space actually. A lot of traffic too. Let's see. I think I'm not going to go down too much further, but I'll show you this real quick. Asok, You can also take these all the way across as well. And go down a little bit further. Then we'll conclude this video in a minute. So those are people going up. And if you keep going all the way down, there's Nana 4, Soy 4, which is Nana, Soy Nana. Which is what a lot of people like to see. NFL 8:20 tonight. Okay. That's a cool alley, so I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to conclude. So this right here is the Nana station.